It is Severe Weather Awareness Week, and we are starting off in Southeast Texas with none other than heat safety. Did you know heat is the #1 weather-related killer? Every year, 600 people die because of some heat-related illness or heat-related situation. 38 of those deaths are from children left in a car. So let's start with heat safety as it relates to vehicles. Never leave anybody inside of a car, no matter how cool you think it may seem. At 88 degrees inside of a car in just 10 minutes, it's 107, and so on and so forth. And that's because sunlight enters the car through the windows, and like a greenhouse effect, it traps that heat. So do not leave your children, do not leave your pets or the elderly, anyone in a car. Now, what sort of weather criterias issue a heat advisory or heat warnings for us here in Houston? If the air temperature is 103 degrees or hotter, we are under a heat advisory. If it feels like 108 though, say the temperature is 100 degrees outside, but with humidity, it feels like 108, that would put us under a heat advisory as well. How about the next level up, an excessive heat warning? If the air temperature makes it up to 105, that puts us under the warning. If the feels like value gets to 113 degrees or feeling hotter than that, we're under an excessive heat warning. This seems pretty exaggerative. However, last year, we made it up to 109 degrees, the actual air temperature twice. That is the hottest temperature ever recorded at the big airport. So we've seen this already last summer. We got to prepare for it again this summer. Something easy that you can do as you start thinking of those summer plans and what kind of wardrobe you want to acquire. I'd say light colored clothing is your friend because it reflects 80% of the solar radiation versus a dark colored shirt, for example, that absorbs 80% of it and only emits back 20. That means you heat up a lot faster. You also want to make sure that the clothing is nice and loose so you're able to sweat and your body is able to cool off. If you're wearing tight clothing, your body cannot release heat by way of sweating that much. And remember your 3 S's that are also your friend: sunscreen, the shade, and of course, staying hydrated. We know how hot these summers in Southeast Texas get, so your #1 tip for Severe Weather Awareness Week is heat safety.